Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, I'm going to explain how we have to extend the event modules property in a normal class. In previous video, I have explained how we have to use the built-in event module. Please refer the video to have the good understanding of event module. Then only you can understand this video. First, I'm going to comment the codes which are already present here. Next, I'm going to create a new file called food.js. So I already said I'm going to use the event module in class. So first I will create a class. As name of the class is food. And I want to create a variable. So first I'm going to create a constructor. Inside this constructor, I will have my variable. This dot order food. By default, value will be 0. Next, I'm going to create two functions. One is to calculate the orders. So order here, this dot order food increment. Next, display order. Here, I'm going to console the values of the ordered food. So this dot ordered food. Let me provide double string, comma, food ordered count. Finally, I'm going to export. So module dot exports equal to food. And here you can see the module should be small m. Next, let me format the code here. Go to index page. First, we have to import this food. So constant food is a variable. Next, use require import the food file. Next, we have to give console dot log food dot order. So let me copy the order from here and paste it here. Next, again on console, display order. So instead of order, I will change to display order. So we don't need this consoles. I'm going to remove this consoles because we already have console inside this function itself. Let me again format the code and run node.index.js. So here you can see error food order. This is due to we didn't create any new instance for the class. So create new instance for the class. So food items equal to new food. So let me copy this food item replace the food with food item. Clear the terminal, run again. So here you can see food ordered count. So first we have triggered the order function. So here the value will be increased. Next, here you can see food item display order. Next, display order will display the contents. So next, we are going to extend the event module in a class. So format and go to the top, constant event emitter equal to require events node hyphen events. Now I'm going to extend the class with event emitter. So the main purpose of using extend and event emitter is I'm going to integrate the properties of event emitter in the food. So event emitter, this is also a separate class component. Food is a separate class component. We are integrating and using the another class property here. To get all the property, we have to use a keyword super. So after this, here I'm going to provide the event emitter. So here in this emit, I'm going to mention food. So food is an event we have created here. So next, here in food items dot on, this is an event listener. Here I'm going to provide the same event, copy and paste it here. Arrow function console dot log food event triggered. So now here the terminal, run again. Now you can see the event also will be triggered. Here the event is triggered and the food count also is showing. So this is how we are extending the or reusing the property of another class in Node.js. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates on time.